Hey everyone, it's time to eat again, and the perfect appetizer to your seafood paella is an ahi tuna salad. This recipe is super quick and can be paired with any salad that you like. Start by taking your tuna steak and marinating it in a mixture of 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Set your timer for 7 minutes and then turn the tuna over to marinate the other side for an additional 7 minutes. While the tuna absorbs the marinade, prepare your salad and spicy mayo. Spicy mayo is simply a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of sriracha, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Take a moment to get your plate ready since the rest of the process is going to go real fast. When the tuna is done marinating, crust it with a mixture of 4 parts sesame seeds and 1 part black pepper. Searing the tuna is best done in a ripping hot pan to make sure that we get a good sear while keeping the interior rare. Heat a high smoke point oil such as avocado oil or vegetable oil to smoking. Then sear the tuna on each side for between 15 and 30 seconds. Slice the tuna into 1/4-inch slices and serve with the salad. And that's all there is to it, a simple but stunning appetizer. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and check out the main dish of seafood paella in our previous video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.